Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Apex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch through the phone application, make sure that your watch is paired with a phone via the Coros application. Also, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, so once your watch is paired with a phone and your battery is charged, we can continue. And now we can open the Coros application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the progress page. Now you can tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. And here you should see your Apex Pro. Tap on it to select it. On this page, scroll down and find the reset option and then tap on it. And then tap on the reset button to confirm and start the resetting process. As you can see now, the watch is resetting to the factory default settings. So let's wait. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.